Hey guys, today I'm baking custard muffins and I need 30 grams of margarine. Then I need 2 eggs and I'm gonna mix that until it's fluffy. And then we add our next ingredient which is 1 cup of sugar, and then we give it a quick mix. Make sure it's well combined. Then we're going to add our next ingredient, which is milk. 1 cup of milk, guys. I'll be listing my ingredients on the description box. And then we're going to add custard powder, which is 1 cup also. Then you give it a mix, guys, until it's well combined. And then we're gonna be sieving 1 cup of flour. So this is gonna give us approximately 6 muffins. So we're gonna mix it well until the flour disappears, the white flour disappears. So that is my paste. That's how my paste looks like. There you go, guys. Let's put it in our baking tin. I've already oiled my tin, and my cooker is on, and we're gonna be baking it for 15 minutes under 170 degrees. So guys, make sure you try this recipe. It's free of charge. But make sure you leave a like. In case you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and I will appreciate if you leave a message for me. Let me know what you think about the recipe. So we leave it in here for 15 minutes, and here you go. Our muffins are ready, very soft and looking good. Let's cut one and see how they look. Have a close look, guys. They're really soft and they look yummy, but we're gonna test that by cutting one with you guys. So here you go. They're soft, nice, fluffy, and trust me, they're so yummy. You can see they're very soft, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate. Leave a comment and watch my playlist for October. Subscribe, and let me see you on another video. Bye bye, guys.